What's good, everyone? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop back on camera today to give you an update of the textbot AI. I want to go back and show you some different types of features that this product has, and how well it can help you in your business. And this is SMS Marketing, by the way. And SMS Marketing is very powerful because it's very strategic that you can put and implement into your daily operations and marketing. Now, I'm gonna go back here and show you in the back office of what I mean, and you'll see everything right here on the left hand side. And what is textbot AI? Well, it is a virtual robot by the name of 𝗖cie. You see it right here on the side, 𝗖cie. Now, 𝗖cie is an automatic virtual assistant. Now, this type of virtual robot will close sales for you on your behalf. So there are two different types of ways that you can activate 𝗖cie. One of the ways is by sending people your number. You're going to be assigned a phone number. Now, everybody has a different phone number, so no one has the same phone number. You have your own assigned phone number that is branded to you. And with this phone number, what you can do, you can be able to get 𝗖cie to start talking to those leads. Now, how powerful is that? When 𝗖cie talks to your leads, 𝗖cie is going to carry on the conversation. So that way you don't have to do none of the selling, telling, none of that. You know what I'm saying? 𝗖cie will do that for you. And then at the end of the conversation, 𝗖cie will send them your link to your business, your opportunity. Now, here in SMS marketing, now if you think about it, between SMS and email marketing is 20%, 15 to 20% of an open rate. Most people don't even, get their emails and actually check through their emails. How often do you check through your emails? Very rarely, right? So just think about it. Everyone has a cell phone. Everyone has a text message device, in their hand. Everyone goes everywhere to walk around, wherever they're doing. They're going to always have their cell phone. So if you think about it, you send that text message, and once that person get that text message, by like 90 seconds, they're going to end up checking their phones, and they're going to be like, you know what I'm saying? Just think about that. They're going to check it real fast, and right there in front of their eyes be your opportunity. So, as you can see, this is 𝗖cie right here, and I'm going to show you just an example of what 𝗖cie does. Just waiting for this to load up. Okay, as you can see right here, I got different conversations with 𝗖cie. Okay, you can see even in the in the beginning of this conversation, it says, hi, this is 𝗖cie. You know what I'm saying? With text bots, please reply yes to confirm. Oh man, this thing keeps switching. And then it's gonna tell 𝗖cie's gonna basically tell them what the next step is. So they're gonna, 𝗖cie gonna make sure that they get the name. Once they type in their name, then they go to the next step. 𝗖cie, gonna talk to them and give them a little bit of information of what we have to offer. And you have on the side, you have keywords too, so you can generate different conversations to make 𝗖cie speak on your behalf. Now you can switch between right here in this toggle right here. You can switch between yourself. You can have a straight up conversation with yourself, and text and follow up with your leads, or you can just have 𝗖cie do the rest of the talking for you. Then you have over here to your left, you have your resellers. This right here show you your links. This shows you your presentation leads, your Facebook group. So once you sign up with textbot AI, you can be invited to the Facebook group. That way you can be able to see other people who's getting tremendous results, and you can that can give you more motivation right there. Also, you have resources. You know, you got like email swipes, you got text ads and things of that nature. You know, this is right here is your pending payments. You know, for people that, you know, opted in and, you know, they're noted that they're going to pay soon. You got your commission history, you got your team, your leverage line, and the textbot leaderboard. One of the best features that I like right here is they have live training. And every Tuesday they have textbot Tech Talk Tuesday, if I said that correctly. So you get to look at, you know, different episodes that they have. You know, they've been having it for a while, so you can go and check the dates and check out those different types of you know, webinars. Then they got, you know, videos on the product training, give you a little bit more insight on the product. But overall, this is a good marketing tool that you can use if you know, want to use something different from email marketing. textbot.ai definitely can do that for you. You know, I had tremendous results with this. You can use this to also promote this on sites like Craigslist, where you can be able to send out your phone number and think about those leads. Now here go like I mentioned before, this is your number you're going to have. Now you're going to have a different number from what I have. You're going to copy that number and then you can issue that number and send it out, whether you want to go on, like say, your Facebook stories, you want to post it on there, you want to have people either call or text that number. This is also right here, you're going to have your own link. This is the second way that you're going to be able to promote. So, you know, you can use this, you know, on, you know, different types of social media, whether it's your Instagram, Twitter, you could use that on that. All these different types of ways that you could have to, you know, market. And once you get there, you know, you're going to have your leads on the side. And also the people who opt in is going to be in this area too. So, you know, that's one way that's powerful. You can also buy extra credits because you need credits to be able to text and receive. So you definitely need credits, additional credits you can purchase right here. You can also buy additional numbers. You could have the Ava Plus. I do have Ava Plus. I just been promoting mostly Ava Basic, but Ava Plus you get to create your own text box, and you can have each text bot, send out different opportunities to your leads. So that's very, very powerful too. To get started with Ava Basic is $100, I believe, and $50, but it's very, very worth it. Once you get that, you can be able to collect $100 commissions over and over again, and you get paid same day. This is one-time fee. You don't have to worry about any monthly fees. Now, the only monthly fee that you have to worry about is, just the $10. If you can start off small, it's just $10 a month just to keep your phone number active. But for the whole system, you're going to always remain having that same system. And like I said, you can use this on any business. You can promote any offer. You could trigger up your custom keywords. So let's say, for instance, if you have a certain keyword that a person look up, you can see right here I got keywords, like opportunity. Then it show them one of my opportunities that I got actually programmed for that keyword. You could go deeper detail under the trainings tab. They'll show you how you can do that. If you go to the product training and all that, they'll show you what about keywords that you can implement. And very, very powerful. So that's what I use really. Besides my email marketing strategy, I use this to help out, to give me more leads, and hopefully convert those leads into sales. If you'd like to get started with me in textbot.ai, the link in the description will be below. I do have a marketing training. If you do get started with me, I have different types of training, tips and tricks and strategies for you guys. You can hit me up on social media. I got my Facebook down there as well. If you have any questions or concerns, and also leave your comments below. Hit that notification bell. Like and subscribe to this channel. If you want more videos, tips and tricks, I got a whole bunch of videos on textbot.ai. describing what wonderful platform this is. I got more deeper detail on different types of features that you come across. So it's very, very worth it. This is very worth it. This is something that you can implement in your daily operations and your marketing strategies. All right. Well, that's it for now. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.